Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing power and connections. Plug the included USB-C cable and charge for about 3 hours, then press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to wake the headset. Once the LED flashes blue, enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and keep the devices within 1.5 meters. Make sure you remove other active pairings to avoid conflicts. This speeds discovery and prevents intermittent drops. Now you're ready to proceed to pairing and app setup. You'll complete pairing and configure sound. Choose Sennheiser Momentum 4 in your device's Bluetooth list. You should hear a voice prompt confirming connection. Once paired, open the Sennheiser Smart Control app to update firmware and set the equalizer. This changes how bass, mids, and treble respond, so tweak while listening. Make sure your operating system allows microphone and media audio. Once done, test with a song and a call to verify both playback and mic levels are correct. You finish by optimizing use and knowing a fix. Toggle active noise cancellation or transparency mode to suit your surroundings because ANC influences battery and ambient awareness. Make sure firmware updates complete, then test battery status in the app. If problems occur, reset by holding power and volume down for 8 seconds, then repair. If audio stutters or the mic fails, restart your source device and repair. If issues persist, contact Sennheiser support for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.